Excuse me, sir. Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to this for about 30 seconds and then just tell me what do you think it is and how does it make you feel?
Both of them?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Alright. Can you tell me what do you think it is? What do you think is it?
I'm not so sure what it is.
You don't know?
No.
Alright, how did it make you feel? Because I seen your eyes were closed.
Well, actually, I feel like it took me to another world.
It took you to another world?
Yeah, I feel like as I temporarily the world disappeared. Like I'm so focused on myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like relieved.
Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to I know it's weird, but can you listen to something for 20 seconds and just tell me who do you think it is and what do you think it is and how does it make you feel?
That's the Weekend, right?
Nah, it's not the Weekend.
It's not?
Nah.
That's the Weekend doing acapella, right?
Nah, that's not acapella. Something way different than the Weekend or anything. When you listen to it, how did it make you feel?
It make me feel good. It sounds like the Weekend.
Only have two, so you guys ready?
قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر
You got Bob. You going on over here? That wavy, bro. Oh, they heard about this nigga.
You did?
Yeah.
It's something called Qur'an. Have you heard of Qur'an? It's like it's an Islamic book, and it's like a book that takes you to the right path. Let me know how do you feel, and what do you think it is? Alright.
أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس.
Alright. How did it make you feel?
It's very almost ethereal, like it's very light sounding kind of.
Yeah.
It evokes a sort of calmness.
Yeah. This is Qur'an, which is the Islamic book, which has never been changed, and the words in there is just to take you to the right path. So.
It's interesting that you said it was a religious text, because I'm generally anti-religion, but it does evoke calmness. I can see why you would want to join a religion that made you feel calmer.
Nice. Excuse me? Sorry. Can you guys listen to this real quick? And I just want you guys to tell me what do you guys think it is and how it makes you feel? Hold on.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin.
What do you think? What do you think about it?
It's Quran.
Yeah, it's
I'm Muslim, so I just listen to this to feel calm sometimes.
Are you Muslim?
No.
How did it make you feel?
It made me feel great. It made me feel like a different person.
Was it like a better person, like good?
Better person, positive.
Excuse me? Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to this for 30 seconds and let me know what you think it is and how it makes you feel?
Yasin wal Qur'anil Hakim innaka laminal mursalin ala siratin mustaqim.
Can you tell me how did it make you feel? Huh?
It's the most beautiful thing I have heard all day.
You okay? Sure? Yeah. Sure?
I've just been homeless for so long.
Yeah. Yeah.
And words of such inspiration have not come by me.
Yeah. If you don't know, it's called the Qur'an, which is the book of Islam, which makes you go to the right path. And it's the book that's never been changed. You good?
Yeah.
You sure, man? Give me a hug, man.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my brothers and sisters across the world, and peace and blessings be upon you all. Now you guys might remember I did a video not long ago, well, at the start of my YouTube channel. It was called the Quran Experiment. The public was reacting to the Quran as I played it into their ears. So now I wanted to kind of revisit that, do a part 2. But basically today I'm going to get my friend Mikhail Mala, and he's going to be doing it live right behind their ear, so they're going to be hearing it straight away, but they can't turn around them, and basically going to see how it makes them feel. So we're in Birmingham today, inshallah, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's see how it goes.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
How did that make you feel?
Strife of life. It was solemn, but at the same time, it was as if there's hope. That's about it.
Wow.
Feel it in my heart, you
feel it in your heart? How did that make you feel?
Very relaxed.
Relaxing.
Yeah.
How about you?
It was sad.
Sad? Okay. was it like a negative side or a positive side? Like
I think a positive side.
a positive side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or like a reminiscent or something.
Yeah.
Reminiscence?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Is it like a right before bed or anything like that?
That's smart.
Oh God.
What did you guys think of that?
I loved it.
Did you like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
How did it make you feel?
It reminded me of travelling.
Travelling. That's what you feel.
That was sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was so good.
Yeah.
Fair play.
How did that make you feel?
It was good.
What did you think that was?
Sounded like a prayer to me, just because his voice was so soft and nice. I'm actually reading a book about it at the moment.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the book called?
It's called God is One, and it's all about Islam and different, just to literally just educate myself, really.
Awesome.
So yeah, no, that was sick. I really like that.
That's
Cool.
How'd that make you guys feel?
Emotional
Emotional.
and a little spiritual, I think.
Spiritual.
And his voice kind of resonated in my head and in my heart. It was lovely.
Wow.
Really, no, I'll be honest with you, a bit
Weird.
Weird, yeah? In a good way or negative way? A good way. Weird in a good way.
Scary.
Scary.
as you got into it, it's a bit therapeutic, wasn't it?
Therapeutic.
Yeah, it's not too bad, was it?
It was genuinely alright. It didn't worry me.
Didn't worry you? Soothing.
I don't know. It was really like soothing. I haven't a clue what he's saying though.
Soothing, yeah.
Relaxed.
If you were by my side, Allah, you, Allah, you.
In terms of the effect that it maybe had on your soul, how did it?
Peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yeah. It was very heartwarming and moving. Inspiring even. Yeah. And that comes from a lot because look at me. So, yeah.
Wow. Heard that. How did that make you feel after listening to it?
It sounds weird, but I like the accent. It's not really the accent, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's very mystical.
Yeah.
I like it because it's mysterious. It's mysterious.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what it's saying, but I like the sound of it, and it's relaxing. I'll be honest. Sometimes I put it on Sky and just turn the lights out and relax.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. Because I don't know what it is, but it is really relaxing.
Yeah.
And it's not someone shouting, God's this and God's that, and hallelujah, and they're jumping around the church. It's just nice, quite. It's nice and relaxing, so that's my way.
It was alright, nice and relaxing, easy to listen to. Yeah. So yeah, it's like I said, it's not something I'm used to, but I liked it. I did like it. Yeah.
I don't know. It took me like to a quiet place.
Oh, wow.
Just like, I don't know, just like quite something. Maybe just like everything went quiet really. Just it's like gentle.
So yeah, you just heard that. How did that make you feel after hearing it?
I feel a relaxed sensation. I don't understand what he say, but he's a nice voice and he's relaxed.
How did it make you feel?
A little bit sad.
Sad?
A little bit sad, yeah. I don't know. It was just something about his voice. It was kind of, and it was a little bit soft-spoken, so it was a little bit comforting in a way.
Yeah. comforting. So sad and comforting.
It's sad and comforting, melancholy.
Yeah, wow. Okay, melancholy. I think it's sad and comforting at the same time. It's like almost they kind of cancel each other out. But it's interesting that you said that.
Yeah. So I don't know. It was like a melancholy feeling. It's like it was something I'd almost heard before.
Okay.
I don't know. It felt kind of good. It felt peaceful.
Peaceful.
Yeah.
Ever heard anything like that before?
Oh, no, I haven't. I never heard of it. Yeah.
How did you feel when you was listening to it?
Sort of free.
Free. Wow.
I don't know. It's just sort of like really happy, quite. I don't know. Yeah, I felt like I was flying a little bit. It's a bit weird, that one.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oddly, at some point, I kind of felt. I don't know if I should say like a calming or kind of peaceful kind of a vibe.
Yeah.
And then at another point, I was kind of feeling like searchful, like I wanted to question something, like inquisitive about. It's like kind of as if I'm searching out something, I'm trying to work out something.
So how it made me feel, even though I'm not Arabic or I'm not Muslim myself, it made me feel as if I was travelling to Mecca.
Yeah, wow.
That's how it made me feel.
Yeah.